Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change background on Zoom application. This is the Windows version of a Zoom app. If you update to the latest update, so it becomes Zoom Workplace, this one. So you can change the background by tap on setting button. Okay, let's search the setting button, this one, settings. You can click it and click on background and effects. So in this background and effects, you can blur, you can go with San Francisco grass on and earth, and also you can add your own image. Just click here, and also if you have a green screen, you can try with a green screen here, and you can mirror. Even you can mirror my video, and you can add filters here. And also there's avatar, but it's not supported on my machine or on my Windows or my PC here. Maybe you can add your own avatar. So good luck. Please free to try this a background and evac. You can change. But beware, there is a CPU bandwidth. This one. This will decrease your video resolution to maintain CPU bandwidth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.